Our favorite season is finally here.
Christmas is coming. Okay, sorry. As you know, we recently moved to Spain and now we have a big problem.
What's going on?
All our Christmas decorations are still back in England, but we can't have Christmas with no decorations.
No! Today we're gonna be doing some shopping and decorate our rooms for Christmas.
Let's get our boys and do some festive fun.
I need a mini Christmas tree, and it's up there as well. Okay, it's not that heavy. And we need some decorations to put on the tree as well.
Some baubles, Christmas baubles.
Baubles.
What are you looking at?
Look how cute this is. It's like a mini mushroom. It is a mini mushroom.
It is a mini mushroom.
I think I think there will be better baubles in different shops, like a lot more variety.
Look at these, they're so nice.
Look at these.
I love those.
You're gonna take it for downstairs?
What do you think? We should. Daddy, what do you think? Alex, you like it? For downstairs tree?
Yeah.
Put it in.
Put it in.
I found the Christmas tree for Gaby.
You like it?
No, really.
Why not?
What else do we need, guys?
I want to put some decoration on my window to make it
So
look
some
nice.
Christmas lights.
Yes. I was thinking to put these on my window. Stars. I really like those lights as well.
Alex, what about Christmas lights on your Christmas tree?
There are only 40. That's the lowest
be
we can
enough?
find. Yes.
2 meters up.
It should be enough, isn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah, let's take it.
Look what I found. It's a firecracker.
Firecracker.
No!
Guys, we need some Christmas wreath on our table. I can't choose, there's so many. This one.
No.
No, it reminds
This one.
that one.
Of
This one,
Halloween.
yes.
Kind of.
But look at this. It's so sparkly. Let's say this.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah?
Oh my goodness, we found a really good thing. It's a track that you can put around the tree.
Let's take it. Daddy, are you okay? We are done in this store. Let's move on to the next one.
So we found the perfect sized bubbles for my Christmas tree. We need 5, I think.
That's so cool.
The snow globe is so cute and mini.
Sit on my knees. Hey, little boy. Hello, you want a one for Christmas? What's that?
I found my Christmas tree.
Which one? Okay, you need to find it. Which one is it?
This one.
Put it in a basket. Yes, finally we found your Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Bubbles over here.
I want blue one.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a packet of these.
What is it?
It's like acorns, white acorns. It says
Okay.
it's glass.
Yeah.
We'll be fine. Look at the
Oh
glass.
wow.
Wow. I'm gonna take these.
Simple white.
Yes.
Yeah,
These
the gold ones. It will go so well together. White
Alex.
and gold.
I'm gonna take these whilst Daddy's not here. So we got everything we need, and now we're gonna go home to decorate.
Okay, guys, we finally got back home. We changed into our cozy Christmas pajamas, and we are ready to decorate.
Daddy's gonna help me decorate my room, and Mommy's gonna help Gaby decorate her room.
Let's go, family! Woo!
Welcome to my room. Here's a desk where I keep my things in here and I draw and do my homework. We have some cupboards where I keep my clothes. This is where I sleep. And here's where I can put all my things, whatever I want. Okay, quick room tour. This is my monitor and this is my PlayStation. I've got a big chair and a leg rest here and a big bed. And last but not least, the big cupboard. I drew some drawings yesterday. Let me show you.
Pretty cool. Gabs, what are we gonna start with?
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree? Are you sure?
Obviously, yes.
Let's do Christmas tree.
Yeah! Just take. No! You're not going to eat it. Coco?
Coco, are you helping? Are you helping or disturbing things? No, Coco!
Okay. We've opened it up. Let's take the tree out. Okay. Where should we put this? Shelf? Let's do it. They're all like stuck, so you need to put them all out.
I'm holding.
Now we need to decorate it to make it look very colourful and nice. And these are the lights. Oh, no.
It will look good.
Oh no.
No, it's gonna be good.
Yeah, okay. And that's 3. Okay, it should be good. That's way better than I expected. Okay, let's put this on the tree now. Let's put the baubles and the star on the Christmas tree.
Okay.
Okay, what should we start with?
Whatever you want.
Let's do this pretty one.
It's your Christmas tree.
The pretty ones.
Pretty ones. Nice.
Should we put it up or down? Let's do it up. First bubble complete. Now the second one. I'm gonna put it on this side.
Okay.
Oh my god! Hello! Hello!
You two are so tired today. What's going on? What's going on?
You're never tired.
What's going on?
You're never tired.
Summer's long gone, baby. The first snow is about to fall. Everybody's waiting for what's to come. We gather round the chimney, sitting close to keep us warm. The mistletoe is hanging at the door.
So nice.
Time to set you.
Some people ask about the cats. How your cat's doing? Did you take them or you leave them?
We took them. Look. There's one and there's the second one.
Hey, Buggy.
This is a projector where in the walls or the roof you can see Santa Claus and a reindeer. Now we got some decorations for the window.
Look what we got for the window.
That looks very big.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Get a high limit.
I think it's gonna be good, man. Beautiful. Christmassy.
At the night when it's gonna be really dark, we're gonna turn everything on and see how beautiful it looks. These next. Right. Let's
Put them.
on the table first.
Okay. Put it nicely.
You didn't see this, but we bought a snow globe. We can turn it on. And it sprays. Right, I'm gonna put it this side. Wait, this side?
Oh.
This side. I think this side.
Yeah, I agree.
You. Merry Christmas! It's moving, this one.
It's alright, but it looks good.
I told you. I told you.
Looks nice, though.
Moving on.
Your bed gonna look like Santa's sleigh.
Yes. Now I'm gonna put the blanket over the bed.
Okay, open it up.
Do you want to help me? Come on.
You gonna help?
You gonna help?
No.
Chico. This, then this, then this. Yeah?
Nice.
That works.
Yes.
Last thing to do is decorate the main tree.
Let's do it.
Let's turn on the lights.
3, 2, 1.
Oh guys, look, it's dark outside. Let's go check out the rooms. Let's check my room first.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town.
So cozy. We're gonna sleep here. You're gonna sleep here.
Yeah.
Welcome to Santa's village.
That's Christmassy.
It's cozy. Yes, it's cozy. Comment down below which room you think is more Christmassy. Mine or Gaby's? Mine. What are you doing? Nothing. Okay, bye.
Is all in the air.